Sheree for Just Nailed It. Today I am coming to you with an acrylic review. It is by, I think it's pronounced Guffo, G-U-F-F-O. It's an acrylic kit I found on Amazon. It's got like everything in it. And I do mean everything. Like I said, I told you it's got everything in it. So we're going to filter through one by one. Here is a list of everything that is in the box. With my vision still that is not clear, I can't read it to you. I cannot make out any of this, unfortunately. So we're going to wing it. As you can see, it's got like fake nails, the practice nail, probably glue, base and top coat, acrylic, brushes, liquid, pump, nail cutters, toe separator, brush cleaner, this I don't know, files, some, I think those are maple leaves. This is a dabbing dish, I think. These are some glitters, forms. Everything's all here. So here are your typical nail cutters. These are all metal, I think. No, they are plastic. Plastic. They will do the job, I'm sure. Pair of tweezers. Your toe separators. A couple of files. These are, doesn't say. Hopefully they are 180, 100, 180. Here's your practicing. This thing, you gotta make it where you can slip a nail up under here, not just glue one on, because it doesn't help you much. Don't know the proper name for this little job you do. Forms, your typical forms. Orange wood sticks. Here is your, oh God. These are your base and top coat. I cannot read which is which. It says G, J, Y. Here is the acrylic brush that they sent you. I will not be using this for the swatch. This is, yeah. I don't know what. Oh, here's a cuticle pusher. Gotta have a cuticle pusher. This brush, it does not say, well, I wouldn't be able to see it if it did say what size it was. But this is an itty bitty. We have got 2 packages of gems. These are hollow. All the different shapes and snowflakes, diamonds. These are beautiful. I'm shocked. Oh, you have these, which are okay. These are different shapes as well, but these are silver. Your brush cleaner. This is your dabbing dish. Let's see if this puppy opens. This was made for me. This sits. Well, you probably still could knock this over, but this is great for somebody like me because I am constantly knocking one of these jobby doos over. I have my dabbing dish inside of a giant shot glass. That's what works. Here's your pump dispenser, which I think is really super cute. On the paper here, it shows 2 sets of forms, and there's only 1 in here. So, you know, fake nails. This is your nail glue. But it does show 2, and there's only 1, so I will be contacting Amazon. Here are your maple leaves. Your monomers by Keystone. Oh Lord, we're doing a whiff test. And it comes in with a bottle like this. Smells like monomer to me, but it's not overpowering, which is a blessing. We have got 2 acrylic or 2 glitters. This is like a glitter powder over here. I think these are beautiful. And then last but not least, we have got 4 acrylic powders. I'm sure there's clear, pink, and white. We have got a clear. This is not... Oh, UV gel. Clear. Huh. Who would have thought? Pink. White. Let's check out the pink. These are not full by no means. Let's see how deep they are not. So, this is everything in the box. Let me try to put everything in here so you can see. Show separator, your files, forms, tweezers, don't forget the gems, orange lipstick, cuticle pusher, and this job you do. So, yeah, I'm going to contact Amazon about the nail tips. Because according to this picture, there should be 2. And according to the picture on Amazon, there's 2. 2 sets of nails. Imagine those could be the orange lipsticks right here. Okay, so we got those. UV gel, which is made by Lena. Perfectly sealed, thank God. This will come in very handy. A lot of things in this kit will. I'll say it's, I mean, for all the goodies and everything in here, it's worth the 26 bucks. I'm gonna pause, I'm gonna set up, and we are going to do a swatch of the acrylics on the back of a fake nail. Just get your nail stiletto, preferably. What you do is you lay it on the back side, not the front side to do a swatch, but the back side. So we're gonna burp our brush, get the air bubbles out, tap off one side of the brush, bounce, bounce, bounce. Do not drag, ladies. I see so many of you dragging your acrylic, and you should not be doing that. You should be bouncing to get your perfect size bead. Now I have placed said bead inside the back part of the nail. I am trying to spread it out a little bit. Try to smooth and to blend with the other. This kind of looks like a fast setting acrylic to me, which is not good for the beginner. Definitely think something is fast setting. I cannot see. Here's the white. That looks nice. If I haven't said before, this is a PR video. This was sent to me for review. I don't have a discount code for the item. Sorry. That would be helpful for a lot of people. I know there's a lot of beginners out there. And this kit, like I said, is perfect for beginners. Totally perfect for a beginner. I am going to drag it down the nail there, which you should not do, but this is dragging makes the acrylic clump up in your brush. Young nails says we should also not be using paper towels. They're not good for our brush. I don't know if it doesn't release as well as like their fiber towels, or I don't know if they're microfiber towels that they use on young nails. Let me spread this out a little bit. I do think this is a fast drying set in monomer, or powders, monomer. Here's the clear. So yeah, next we're gonna do our pink. Get you a nice little bead there. Wait probably to the count of 5. Trying to stretch it down the nail a little bit. Yeah, but these starter kits, they don't come with a lot of acrylic, unfortunately, because, well, with these, this one here particularly, it don't matter, because I'm just swatching. But there's other acrylics that I've seen or been sent that this is like the amount they give you, which is kind of sad. Give a good healthy portion. You want a proper review, send us more than to do one nail. But here are our 3 colors, or I shouldn't say 3 colors. You got your clear, your white, and your pink. So there are. I do recommend you invest in yourself in some brush cleaner. Your brush should never touch acetone. Chica does make this brush cleaner. I'll put across the bottom of the screen how much it was. I just stick my brush in here, let it sit in here for a few. All the stuff will evaporate really quickly if you pour it out. So I just, let the brush sit in here up to the ferrule. Clean the bristles out, and then I stick it back in the monomer, and I won't be using that monomer, I'll be using my Secret, and condition your brush. So there's how you can clean your brush really easy, really quick, and safe. So leave me a comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are on the kit. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so and click the bell, that way you get notified of all future videos. I would greatly, greatly appreciate any new subscribers. I am still trying to grow my channel. Sorry about that. I'm still trying to grow my channel, and your presence here would be appreciated. Stay tuned for the content. Subscribe for the content. And you never know, I do run a giveaway every now and again. I'm going to be having a designer giveaway coming up really soon. That will be available for worldwide entry. So, stay tuned. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.